Namaste. In this video we are going to discuss about Adi Mudra. Adi Mudra is the first mudra a child makes when he is born. So this mudra increases the lung capacity in an individual if he perform it regularly. This mudra also increases the mental activity. This mudra also makes sure the flow of prana moves into the upper regions of the body. If you are feeling down all the time, you must definitely perform this mudra. So to do this mudra, you basically take any of your hand and place your thumb at the base of your fingers. Then clasp your fingers over it. You don't have to clasp it too tight, just medium intensity is fine. Uh, Different people might respond differently, so just clasp your fingers across your thumb and sit down and meditate. You can do this for 10 to 20 minutes. You can perform this while doing any kind of activities, but avoid doing this while eating. So that's all for this video. Make sure you have an open mind while practicing this mudra. Make sure you chant while performing this mudra to get the most benefit out of it. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.